Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen definitely did make a fairly good move down over the last couple of days. But even though the 1 hour has been going down, the monthly is still in an uptrend, the weekly is still in an uptrend, and the daily is still in an uptrend. That means that I personally am definitely still looking for longs as more of a swing trader. Now, if you go all the way up to the very high time frames for just a second, the weekly time frame in this case, I just want to show you that my target for this move up is the 78% Fibonacci retracement. I think we're in a wave B right now, a wave C of B. And I'm looking at around the 202 area for the end of this move up. So keeping that into consideration and the fact that the weekly, monthly, and daily are all in uptrends, we definitely need to assume anything we see to the downside is possibly nothing more than a crescent to the uptrend. Like I was saying in yesterday's pound yen video, I think this is an ABC crutch, and if I see a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, I am definitely going to continue to go long and definitely going to continue to trade with these trends. The market is definitely trending right now, the yen pairs and the dollar pairs, and when the market is trending, then the trend is definitely your friend, and you definitely should be trading with the trend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.